Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see who viewed your profile on Facebook. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So now we are just going to see this blog or this Facebook blog or help center. And as you can see, this is who views your Facebook profile. So basically, Facebook doesn't let people track who views their profile, and any other third-party apps also can't provide this functionality. So basically, there is no direct way to do it, but there is an alternative, which is to have a professional account. So all we need to do is to go to our Facebook account and turn it to a professional account. To do so, you can just go to your profile and here you will need just to click on this 3 point icon and basically you can turn on professional mode from here. Otherwise, if you don't not find it here, you can just like search on the settings and privacy and go to settings, and basically it should be somewhere here like in the first choices. So just search for professional mode and you will be able like to turn your Facebook to professional or to business account or professional account. So now we can just go to our view tools, and basically here you can see everything concerning your account visibility or account traffic. So you can see your audience, who visited, like the age and gender, and everything else. So basically you can start like having more control and more visibility on your profile. Of course, this is like professional mode and it is meant for like having some huge amount of reach engagements and other things, and it's not meant like for friendly uses, but still it is a tool that will help you control your Facebook account visibility. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.